I'm here for my luge. Just going to go up this lift hill. I don't know if this is very long. I don't think it's anywhere near as... I've done one that's like 60 minutes. It was one of the longest in the world in Austria. That's on my channel if you want to check it out. This one I think is only about a minute long. It's not very long at all. But I'm here. I want to do it. I think you get some quite nice views of Chamonix in the background when you're coming down. So you can see some other people. Hopefully the person in front of me isn't dead slow, because I like going down these things nice and quickly, so... You could really feel the cold up here as well. My hands, both of them, are absolutely freezing. I should probably wear gloves, but it's impossible to film at the same time, so I have to keep my hands out. But I'm sure it'll be worth it. There's the mountains up here. We are approaching the top. Get ready to go. Oh god, this thing goes slow. They're going slow. I don't want it to go slow, because I'm going to catch up. Okay, waiting a sec, just in case they are going slow. Okay, let's go. Woo! Views of the city there. Oh crap, I'm catching up to the people in front. That is such a shame. I was going to bomb it all the way down here and I've caught up to the people in front. Oh, that's the end anyway. Never mind. I genuinely cannot feel my hand after that. Good fun, fast, really fast. Not very long, but it was good for what it was. No, now I've got to go try find somewhere I can actually warm my hand up because it is frozen. The speed that you get cold in this place is nuts.